Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and today we are starting our new series for the beginners, and then we will start another series for the intermediate, and then we will start a professional course for the advanced level. So for the beginning you need a Apple developer basic account to download the Xcode. Xcode is required for the development iOS apps. So you can go developer.apple.com and you can go to the bottom and you can download Xcode from here, and you need to sign up on the Apple website on this portal, and then you need basic knowledge of Swift programming language. You can learn Swift from this website. This is a very well documented website. You can find basic to advanced level of Swift programming language knowledge on this website. So friends, this is the basic idea for the development tools, and here you can also download the Xcode from the App Store. Go to the Spotlight App Store, click on it, and you can search here. This is the Xcode, or you can directly download it from here. Xcode, and you can update or down, because I have already installed, so this is coming update button. So simply for the first project, uh, you need to click on Xcode like this, and here is the playground is essential for learning Swift programming without creating any UI or anything else. So we are not going to the playground, we are creating our Xcode project. First Xcode project, click on it, create a simple view application, and you can see here we have multiple options while we are creating a new applications. Like we can create a game, augmented reality app, document based application, or you can go to like a meta library and Cocoa framework, but we will start from single view application. You need to enter your application now. Hello, like this, world. If you have already any team, like you have any paid account from the on the Apple, you can select your team. Like I have these teams, so I can select anyone, but for the beginning you don't need any need. And also this is very important. If you are testing on the real device, then you need to select a team, and you must have registered for a team for testing on real devices. And on the simulator you can simply use or debug or create apps without any paid subscriptions on Apple developer account. And so this is your organization name, you can enter anything, and this is the unique bundle identifier. This is a unique bundle identifier to differentiate between the app store to the other apps. So this is the basic very unique identity on the app store across the app store. So I'm creating first domain, then organization name like Harry, and then an app name. You can enter anything, but this is the basic structure. Then you can create a Swift program or Objective-C program. So we are selecting basically your language. So if you are familiar with the Objective-C, you can select your Objective-C, and if you are starting with Swift, you can select your Swift. Also, if you are using a code written in your application, then mark here for unit testing and UI unit testing. So I'm not going to the very advanced level, so I'm uncheck all these three check boxes, then click to the next button, and then select the directory. I'm selecting desktop. So this is the first view of your Xcode when you create a new application. So this is your navigator. This is the entry of your application. All configuration will be done, basic configuration will be done, and this is this file. This is your first view controller that is by default provided by the Xcode. This is the storyboard. Storyboard is required for the creating UI. So all UI will be done on the storyboard. Storyboard is separated by the view controllers. This is the first view controller. Is controller, and controller you can assume something like a screen on your application. Multiple screen must be separated by the, or can be separated by the multiple view controllers, or view controllers can be also created by the programming. So this is your choice, whatever you prefer. This is the assets folder where you can enter your where you can drag and drop your applications, uh, app icon and other assets. This is the launcher screen, so you can design your application launcher screen here. And this is the configuration file. We can call it info plist, where you can see localization, executable name, and you can edit or rearrange all things as per your requirement of the application. We will learn more about for this in next sections. And these are the targets and these are the projects. So basically in the targets you can see multiple configuration here, like display name, bundle identifier, signing identity. So by the time we will learn all things in the deeper. For now we are overviewing all things, like we can change the orientation of your application from here, hide unhide the status bar, and you can also check the capabilities, what capabilities you require, uh, like if you enable uh, personal VPN, then you have to uh, allow VPN from here. Post notification, you have to allow post notification from here like this. And for the post notification and few configuration you need Apple developer account. So these are the capabilities, and these are the source tag file. Info, build setting, you can see here all build setting here. We are using Swift 5, and you can also select Swift 4.2, Swift 4, but we are using Swift 5. Build phase, you can select binary libraries, compile source items, targeted dependencies, and bundle resources on this tab. Here are your build rules. So and here are the few other features, like side by side view, or switching the views like this. You can hide this section, you can hide this section, and bottom console. This area basically for your debug output. Whenever you are printing anything or debugging anything, all debug output will be here in this screen. So this is the basic overview of your Xcode. From we will start, and from the next video we will learn how to create a basic application like a hello bird, or uh, input form type applications, or image gallery, or table view, scroll view, gestures, and basic to advanced level of all applications by the demo or programming. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thumbs up. Bye bye.